Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rejoice. If this is your first time here, I hope you stick around by subscribing to the channel. And in today's video, guys, I'm about to share with you guys how I have cleared my how I'm still clearing my dark spots from this to this. Now, I said I'm still clearing because I'm actually still in the process. I'm not done yet, but I thought that this has been effective and I like to share it, which is why I'm making this video today. Now, I have not been breaking the bank and I have not been spending 30 minutes on skincare. I've just been doing the very basics, guys, and I'm here to share it with you guys, and I hope you enjoy watching. So first of all, guys, let me just show you that there's absolutely nothing on my face right now except, of course, lip gloss. There is absolutely nothing on my face. So when I tell you that my dark spots have reduced, they have significantly reduced. Okay, so I know what I'm about to say. Okay. So first of all, what I did first was, this may sound cliche, or this may sound like you've heard this a couple of times, but guys, trust me, I wash my face twice a day at least. Like, even on days when I don't take my bath twice a day, I make sure to wash my face twice a day. And I don't use the expensive cleansers or whatever. I really just did, like, have been washing my face with my soap, and I use Dudu Osun black soap to shower. So I use that on my face. If you don't know how it looks, I'm going to put a picture of it somewhere on the screen. I use that soap to wash my face morning and evening, sometimes morning after evening, depending on maybe if I'm at home or I'm not at home, of what I've been up to. But however, it has to be at least twice a day. Okay, and so if you don't have these glove sponge in your bathroom as a girl, then I really think you should. I use this to exfoliate my face like 3-4 times a week, not every day, because drying out the face too is something. But I use this like 3-4 times a week, like I said, so I just use it lather with my Dudu Osun and just like exfoliate my face. It does a lot of difference. It's really good. It's really good. When I started using it, I could almost immediately tell the difference on my face. So I've been using this. What else have I been doing, guys? Like I told you, I've been doing just the basics, things you would like ordinarily overlook. Those are the things I've been doing, and they've been working for me. And like I said, I just thought to share. What else did I start doing? I started sleeping with my hair bonnet every night. You know, when like now that I brushed my hair a few days ago and they're oily because there's hair cream on it, and then if you sleep on your and then when you sleep, you have the oil get on your pillowcase or in your sheets, and then your face, you sleep on it over time, the build-up of oil will just start causing breakouts, which in turn cause black spots. So I've been sleeping with my hair bonnet. Let me get that. So I try as much as possible to sleep with my hair. It has satin lining, so it protects oil transferring from my head to my pillowcases. I try as much as possible to use that every night. Now, talking about pillowcases, I try to change them at least once a week. Like I said, you have heard these things a couple of times in other people's videos, but trust me, it works. It works because, like I said again, build up of oil on your pillowcase, on your sheets, will definitely cause breakouts on your face. So I try as much as possible to change them at least once a week. Okay? And then again, I paid attention to some lotions that I would use, because I've used some lotions that would break me out or like make my face darker. So I've over time like paid attention to some of those things and I've avoided them. So currently I'm using goji berry for my face. Goji berry, I'm sorry, doesn't clear dark spots per se, but it's been working well for me and I love it. That's what I use for my face. But then, guys, another most important thing when you want to clear dark spots or prevent breakouts is using sunscreen. So this particular sunscreen, I don't really like. It works, but I don't really like it because it leaves a white cast. So each time I have it on, I prefer to have it like under my makeup because then you won't see the white cast. cover with like foundation, other makeup. But once I'm going out without makeup, it depends on where I'm going to, because it leaves a white cast. It's good, it works, but white cast. So I don't want to get another one until I finish it because it costs me money. Another thing I started doing was using first of all, why I even decided to make this video, why I remember to make this video today is because I wanted to use this and I realized there's actually no even one drop left. I'm using it and it's finished. And I just thought, okay, this actually, for this past few weeks, have been working for me, and yeah, let me just make a video. So I started using a serum, a vitamin C serum. I'm not saying it has to be this particular vitamin C serum. I feel like any vitamin C serum will work, any good vitamin C, because vitamin C brightens. Any good vitamin C serum will work for you. So one more thing I've been doing is using a toner. All these things are running out. This is also a vitamin C toner. Like I said, vitamin C brightens. So I'm using a vitamin C toner, a vitamin C serum. I use that like once or twice a day, really. So guys, that is it, really. That's, like I said, I didn't break the bank. I didn't do anything out of the ordinary. I washed my face, cleaned my face using my soap. You can use any soap. I'm not saying it has to be Dudu Osu. Any good soap that you can use for your face, of course you can use that. So I wash my face at least twice a day. I protect my face from oil from my hair. I use satin hair bonnet. I change my sheets. I use excuse me, I use lotion that I know will not break me out or not cause my skin to darken. What else? And yeah, I use sunscreen. That is it. That honestly, that is. Oh, and I drink a lot of water. God, I drink. If you know me, those around me will tell you that Rejoice drinks water. I drink a lot of water, and that has been helpful. That is all. Really, that's all. That is all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel or share it to somebody who you think needs, a video like this to maybe take care of some skin issues, face especially. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.